Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay. Hope you guys been doing well. It's been a while since our last video on the channel, but I wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I just picked it up today, just like a normal person would, not some influencer or normal reviewer. And yeah, let's go and unbox this thing. So Apple, this box is like pretty much like a lot of recycled material. So you'll see on here, don't know what the MRF2 stands for, but it does have this symbol, which Apple says it's like their carbon neutral symbol stuff. So, but yeah, so the box itself is, something to be crazy about, I guess, but it's cool that they're going in the right direction with the whole carbon neutral stuff. But as you open it up though, look at that. I like this a lot. The black and white kind of grayscale kind of look. Really kind of, let's open up this guy real quick. So it gives you sort of three bands or three different bands. So you got the ocean, the trail, and the alpine. I went for the trail, and I heard the ocean and alpine are not that great. Then it kind of just shows you the watch itself, the sort of the features, buttons. So this one does have the action button exclusive to the Ultra line. It is a bigger watch at 49 millimeters, and if you're watching this, you're probably wondering if you should get this. So, and I'll tell you guys my reasons later on in the video. And it shows you charging and sort of the special features like this walk back feature with the waypoints, and which is pretty neat. Some of the other things like the diving app here, and just the workout app is a little bit different. And then in the back, you don't get much. You just get this little card with just like little paper, just with like Apple information. Nothing too crazy there. So let's put this back in, and the main box here was just the watch itself, but we'll move that. And this is the band I got, the trail band. This is the kind of like that beige with the orange and blue color. Didn't have the black or the gray one in stock to pick it up right away. And I did like this color, so I just picked it up. Open it up. Tells you how to put it on. Really simple. Really cool. I like the wallpaper look. It doesn't feel cheap. I think that's the biggest thing. Like paper, you think like it feels cheap, but it's not. And I actually don't have it in here because I already took it out. But this is how it looks. Very nice feeling. Doesn't feel like it's gonna rip, I guess, or deteriorate, at least so far. And then this part, which is the velvet part, I suppose, doesn't seem like it's gonna, seems high quality, is what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna, like with all the Apple products, kind of do this little shaky thing. Shake it until it comes out. Okay, so nothing in the back here. Very typical Apple stuff now. We got the watch right there, and on the right hand side you got this new and hopefully improved charging cable, because in the past people have complained that the charging cable is crap, but this one is braided. Different color. It's like an off-white color versus this. It's like you see it's more of a pure white or like a cool white. This is more of an off cool white, but it's not as luminosity, it's not as bright. So you still have the standard puck and all that, but you see. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing normally. So here they stopped using that nice wrap because of the whole carbon neutral stuff. So now they just have this really recycled paper stuff. So it's cool. If you're coming from Apple Watch Ultra 1, I don't know if it's worth it to upgrade. Faster processor, a couple features like the double tap. But other than that, the battery's the same, the design's exactly the same. I upgraded because I had a Series 8, and why would I think if I have an Ultra watch, I wouldn't upgrade to the second one. I would just wait. But yeah, I do like the finished titanium It's very nice. These orange accents with the kind of the silver beige looking color. And then the action buttons here, and then the speakers. And in the back, you got this typical sensors. I'll let you guys look at this. It's pretty nice, I'd say. I got it mainly because it has the sapphire screen and then the titanium finish. Now, I heard it's better than the stainless steel, which also does have the same sapphire front display, but you know, titanium should be more resilient to scratches, I hope. And because it's the flat screen, I'm hoping that I don't really get any scratches, because all the other Apple Watches I've used, like the Series 6 and Series 8, for example, they've all gotten scratched like pretty easily, and I'm pretty careful with my devices. But a watch should be, I think, just durable, just generally speaking, and should wear well. And yeah, but that's the unboxing. We can put on the watch. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks like on my wrist here. And yeah, I wanted to change the background just because the other one's like crazy bright, but it's cool. Yeah, so this is how it wears. It's pretty nice. It's a little bit big because it is 45 millimeters, but it fits fine on my wrist. I think the other size watches are a little bit too small, I think. I do like wearing like bigger watches, so this is great in addition. And then you guys can see I'm using the new trail band. You can see the Velcro there. So I am a little worried, like, to see if it's going to last long term, but it feels fine now, and this is definitely the most comfortable band out there, even more comfortable than the standard one that comes with the normal Apple Watch. But yeah, I hope to do a review of this soon, so if you guys want to follow me on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. It would really help. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.